Introducing the latest from Kor-It, the air-powered pipe core drill built to push boundaries. Engineered for power, made for the toughest environments, and capable of coring clean, precise holes up to 6 inches with ease. For decades, Kor-It has built a reputation where failure isn't an option. This drill is the next evolution. Compact, relentless, and engineered to outlast the toughest jobs. With pneumatic power, sub-60-pound portability, unmatched stability, and fast coring speed, it's the ultimate blend of precision and performance. It's time to take your coring to the next level and make your job easier every step of the way. Why wait? The drill you need is ready. Just click, order, core. It's that easy at Kor-It.com.